BubblePOP Kids here. Time to do a little squishy chopping for some gold and diamond treasure.
And Bubble, how are we going to do squishy chopping through like that?
Don't have any squishies today, but we're going to be soaking our little gold dig it kit in some water, making it super squish so I can chop it up. Get to the goodies.
See what we're working with. Real gold dig kit. This is like a huge box. It's huge. It includes real 24K gold. That is 24 carats, Bubble. And like 3 real pyrite pieces. What is that?
Oh, so excited. I love these kind of kits. I think I had one with gems. This is the real gold one. And when you open it, it's what we're working with.
Well, like now it got super confusing. Dig for treasure. That is the pyrite. That looks like poopy.
We're going to be digging for these 3 24 karat pyrite pieces. Wow, they kind of look like rocks, but they do have a little golden shimmer to them. Got some instructions.
Bubble, you don't get it. The 24K is not in the pyrite. The 24K is in this little keychain right here next to Dr. Cool. Wow.
I'm loving this. Look at all these pieces. We are going to be excavating this little gold minecart. How cute is that? It's got those little wheels. We're going to chop that up. We got a 24 karat gold keychain magnifier. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, like let's discover the gold with Dr. Cool.
And what good is gold without a little bit of bling on it? We got our diamond dig it kit. Gonna chop that too. Howdy, little bubble teens. There's no time to waste. We gotta let the treasure hunt begin. Ooh, I love this. Look at the instructions.
Seems super simple, but like, I don't know. Let's see. Step 1, place your digging brick down on newspaper. Okay. Step 2, use the digging tools to find the real specimens. Ew. Step 3, rinse off your specimens in some water. Think we got it. Let's do it.
Since we all squishy chopping in this video, we're not going to be doing this the traditional way with all these little digging tools. We're just going to be soaking it, shishy chopping it.
What else? Just like open it, get out the minecart right now. Please. Ooh. Well, and like here's all the goodies that were inside of that box. This is mine, Bubble. I'm taking it.
Emptied out the box. Ooh, we got lots of little things here. So we got this real gold dig it adventure guide. What is this? Ooh.
Bubble, it's basically for someone like you who doesn't know much about gold or gold mining. It's like a super informative little book. History of gold. One of the, that's like Cleopatra or something. Who is that? Gold rush. From gold towns to ghost towns. Like, this is cool. I'm reading this, but like, not now. Got to start chopping.
We get this little book. Very nice if you want to read up about gold. I'm definitely going to read this. Ooh, what does 24 karat mean? I'd love to know that, so we get one of those. We get this cute little activity booklet. Little games, puzzles. It's nice.
Okay, so nice. This is the good stuff. This is the good Bubble, like, we'll look at it. But this is all we care about, Bubble. Well, actually this too, but this is mine. But we care about this. The gold dig it. You dig it?
Look at this thing. Ah, this gold dig it bar. I cannot believe it. It looks like a little mine cart. It's got the wheels. It's got all that gold. Gotta chop it. It's heavy.
Heavy is not even the word for it. It literally feels like it's 10 pounds. Don't get it, but like, our treasure's in there. So hop to it. Hop to it.
So this thing is super hard. Ooh, it's like a rock. Can't exactly chop it like this. I'm gonna soak it in some warm water, get it nice and soft, start chiseling.
Ooh, look at that. Bubble, we're gonna be rich by the end of this. That is gold and treasures. You don't even know about that. Seriously.
Got a little magnifying glass. I guess we'll use this thing once we dig out our rocks. Take a closer look at all the detail. Little brush. Don't need it.
Definitely don't need it, but like you're giving this to me for something. And like this is the 24K keychain. Like, this is the real deal. Look at the sparkle. It's crazy.
Another super cool thing that came in this kit. I can't even get over how cute it is. Look at this little keychain. It's filled with 24K gold little flakes. I love this. I could stare at it all day. All those little golden flakes. I don't know. It looks like they're floating in some oil. I like it. But we gotta get to the good stuff. Time to squishy chop the gold.
Oh yeah, got your plans. Let's do it.
And just like I say in all my other squishy videos, if you guys are going to chop up your squishies or anything like this, just make sure you have an adult or parent. The shizhies are sharp.
Oh yeah, like this is major. We are starting shaky gold for good luck.
Step 1, we got to get ourselves a little bowl of warm water and dunk the gold cart. Make it a little soft.
It's bubbling, Bubble. It's bubbling. What does that mean? Is it dangerous?
And for some reason, I think this one is going to take a little while just because it's so rock hard. It feels like a stone or a piece of metal. It feels like real gold. Let it soak. Whoosh.
That golden color is like blinding. Can't take it. Why is it still bubbling, Bubble? Why?
Are you little squishy teens? It's been soaking maybe for about 2 minutes. Wow, it's still not budging. It's so rock hard. See if I could chisel at it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Woo!
Yeah, like, where's the gold? Where is the gold, Bubble? That is like dirt. Ugh.
Now that I opened it up a little bit, ooh, it's still bubbling away. Get the inside a little bit softer. Feels like clay. It's weird. A couple minutes later, I'm hoping it's budging a little bit. It does seem softer. This is gonna be messy. Last time I did one of these, it was a big old mess. Ooh, think we found it.
Yes. Oh yes. Try not to chop it, Bubble. See what's going on with it. Get my little magnifier. Oh yeah. That's some golds. For sure. Get it out of there.
Oh, it's poking right out of the top there. I don't want to chop it, so I'm going to use my little chisel. This thing is going to come in handy. It's right at the top.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Yeah.
Little baby is stubborn. Doesn't want to pop out of there. Just going to soak it a little more. Beautiful.
That's it.
Yes, and we got it out of there. A little digging with my shizhies. It's right here. Clean it up a little bit.
Bubble, you're a professional at this. I didn't know you were, but like, you got this thing out without a scratch. Loves you. Glistening. I actually think this is where the paintbrush part comes in. Give it a little brushy brush. Make it new.
Everybody, here it is, our first piece of treasure. Oh, that thing is so, so cool. I don't know if it's gold, but it looks like gold. Not as shiny as the flakes, but really, I love it. Just get you more.
Bubble, first piece is mine, second piece is yours, third piece is mine. So like, I'm gonna get 2 of these. Okay. Actually, this is pyrite. There it is. It looks so much shinier than in person. Whoa. Bubble, you don't even get it. Pyrite is fool's gold. They like tricked us. It's not even real. Look at this. The shiny yellow gold color of pyrite crystals often led people to believe they had found gold, and it was so nicknamed fool's gold. In fact, most pyrite deposits do contain some gold, so those fools may have been on the right track, but like, it's not real. Can't believe it.
There it is. Basically, the pyrite is some fool's gold, but I like it just the same. It's so cute, shiny. Let's get the rest of it out of here.
So soaky. Does the trick. It's bubbling.
Sizzling.
Okay, I think we soaked it up enough. Where our other piece is gonna be. Start chopping.
obviously going to be the messiest squishy chop ever, but like, I don't care, because it's fun. It's messy fun. Chop the wheel. Ooh.
See a couple little spots. I see something shiny right here. I see something over here. Think we found them. Woo! Get off the excess.
Sounds like it's chisel time before you like ruin the pyrite fool's gold bubble. Just chisel at it. You don't have to squishy chop everything. Ugh, look at this. Looks like dog poop. Eureka!
I'm trying to go easy here. So in this little piece right here, we got 2 of our stones. At least I think we do. And I'm trying not to destroy them. Ooh, here it is. Ooh, this is little. It's a baby pyrite.
Let's check out the baby pyrite and like clean it off. Oh yeah. The baby.
We did our job. We found the 2 out of 3. This one is huge. This one is a little bit smaller. Let's get the 3rd. Little Shoki.
Ew, Shoki or scissors? They're gross. Better. Way better.
Yeah, on our way to the final one. And then after this, we are chopping for the diamond. Oh yeah. Gonna get rich today. There.
Chop, chop, choppity chop chop. Almost found the pyrite. Right here.
Mission accomplished. We got our 3rd piece. This one is kind of small too. I could see it through the mud. Clean it a little bit. Ew. This one is gross.
This looks like a mud pie. Doesn't look like anything good. And your chopping block is seriously all sorts of messy, muddy. Ugh. Ooh, so sparkly. So sparkly. Here's the baby one that's still a little muddy, but like, oh well. It's good. And the 3rd and final piece of fool's gold. Up close. It's glistening.
Our 3 little babies to the side and check out some diamond digit.
Bubble, better get the diamond or I'm like not speaking to you. There's 1 in every 24. Better gets it. Better. Needs this thing. Don't needs it. Don't needs it. Don't needs it. Just need these. Come on.
My fingers crossed. We're going for the diamond. Let's do it.
Whoa, this like bubbles even more than like the gold one. Bubble. Ooh, that's not good.
This thing softened up a little bit quicker than I thought it was gonna. And our little treasure popped right out of there. Ooh, it's like a little piece of cheese.
Are you serious? You serious? Ugh, are you serious? Please.
Didn't get the diamond. We actually didn't get any of those cool looking rocks. We got, I think it's rock crystal. Not so bad.
Oh yeah, that's like rock crystal that doesn't look like crystal. It looks like an old piece of like cheese. Gross. Don't like it.
Not the best one we could have got, but a lot different than the pyrite. Super different. Not too bad for a little squishy chopping. For some pyrite, we got a little rock and a golden keychain. So nice.
So nice, so nice, so nice, like ridiculous. Ugh.
Hope you enjoyed it, and we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye!